Alright, good morning everybody. We're over here doing some pressure washing. We're going to test out a bunch of different tips today and see how well they work on this slippery little deck here. Backyard deck. It's been about a year since I pressure washed it. So we're going to go over it. We're going to go over these tips here I got. I think this is probably the best one, but we're going to check them out. Today we're using the Greenworks 2000 PSI pressure washer. It's electric. It says premium. I don't know how premium it is. It's real simple to set up. You just put your hose here, your water supply hose here, your pressure side here. These are different tips we're going to use. 25 degree tip, 40 degree tip, 15 degree tip, 0 degree tip. We're going to try all these out, check them out, see how well it works on this wood over here. It's real slippery. You can kind of see the discoloration in it. We're gonna get this plant moved out of the way. So you just take your cord, bring it in here. We're gonna get all this pressure washed on a different video, guys. Don't worry about that, coming up real soon. Plug it into the wall. While we're in here, let me show you this future video we got coming up. My parents got me this cool little American flag made out of, you guessed it, shotgun shells. That's real nice. They got that for me for my birthday. Thinking about hanging it up over here about Uncle Trump. Alright everybody, let's go ahead and get started on this. Let me adjust my camera a little bit better. Perfect. Alright, so we got the 2000 PSI pressure washer. I got my extended wand on here, as you can see. That's to keep it away from my body. Now I got this little tip here. The tip, it just spins inside there. A little bit different than the ones I previously showed you. Let's go ahead and try it out. Let's swap these tips out. So we get some more tips on here. Alright, we're going to use this red tip. It says 0 degrees. I have no clue. Probably not going to be that great, but I'm going to put it on perpendicular to what the handle is. Let's try it out. Not that good. Not that good for this application. So we'll swap the red one out. That was 0 degree. We'll do this orange tip. This says 15 degrees, so we'll put it on here. You want this to be sideways with the handle. Let's try it out. Not that bad. Not that bad, really. Let's try it out here. Yeah, let's try out this green one. The green 25 degree tip. See how well that one pans out for us. I don't know about the green tip, guys. I think it's letting too much water flow. It's not giving me the pressure that I want it to give me. I'll change that one out. The last one we have here is the white tip. The white tip is the 40 degree tip. So this is my favorite one right here. We're gonna try this out. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. How much pressure washing does it take to pressure wash a fence? The perfect amount of pressure washing is the perfect amount. Alright guys, for the deck, we're going to use this Greenworks pressure washer spinny thing. Like back. Well, it's a lot easier to do it this way, but it's going to take a long time. Well, I don't know if it's going to take any longer than doing it the regular way. You can see it's doing something. Work. I just think I need more pressure. Well, I tell you what, if you're not that strong of a person, you don't think you can handle pressure washer, this right here will be real good for you. If you're like an old man or old lady, and you want to get it done, this actually works. It works pretty good for, you don't have to hold the weight up. Just let the weight down, just let the weight rest on the little ring thing there, and you just move it back and forth like a vacuum. It's actually working. Alright guys, let it dry out a little bit up here. This is what we just got finished pressure washing up here. Looks a lot better than what it did, or before it was real slippery. You can see how clean it is here compared to how filthy it is there. Fence is looking a lot better compared to the dirty fence. Clean fence, we'll get that part of the fence another time. This little guy here, Greenworks, it works pretty good. Probably just need a little bit more pressure behind it, but it does a real good job. Real good job on the deck right here. Tell the difference between these two. Alright, we'll get this other video going sometime next week. Guys, I appreciate you stopping by my channel. I ask that you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, tell all your buddies. Alright, y'all take care.